We're talking how mold can actually affect your hypothyroid or Hashimoto's disease. And there's one place that you're not thinking about when you think about mold. Mold releases toxins which are called mycotoxins, and they can actually stimulate inflammation. They can trigger your immune system to attack. It can even contribute to fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, some of the similar symptoms that you get from hypothyroid. Now there's one place that you could be getting mold and not even know it or even suspect it, and that is in your reusable drinking cup like this OWALA, or maybe a Stanley. Gosh, maybe your regular old plastic shaker cup. Make sure you're cleaning these properly. For example, take a look at this. If you have an OWALA, take a look. Did you know there's a little rubber piece here that comes out? You get mold under there, and now you drink it, and now you're ingesting more mold toxins. These are great because they're stainless steel. Stay away from the plastic cups. Yes, they're easier to clean sometimes, but on my next video, I'm going to tell you about the little code, these resin codes at the bottom. And again, if you feel like you've been exposed to mold, reach out to us. We can get you a mold test kit to test if you have an exposure. And then we can help you through the process how to get rid of it.